In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram channels. A Telegram channel is perfect for broadcasting messages to a large audience. Unlike groups, only admins post and everyone who subscribes receives your updates. Creating one is quick, and you can tailor it to match your brand or purpose. Start by opening the Telegram app or web version and signing in. Make sure your app is up to date so the interface matches what you see here. On the main chat screen, look for the circular pencil icon floating at the bottom right. This is the Compose button that opens creation options. If you don't see it immediately, scroll to the top of your chat list or expand the window. It typically appears anchored in the lower corner. Tap the pencil and a small menu will appear. From these choices, select New Channel. You may also see options like New Group or New Secret Chat, but for a broadcast style feed, New Channel is the one you want. You'll be prompted to enter your channel details. Type a clear, memorable channel name so people can recognize it at a glance. The description is optional, but it's a great place to explain what you'll post, how often, and who the channel is for. Keep it short and direct. Add a profile picture to make your channel look professional and recognizable. A square image with a simple logo or a high contrast photo works best. You can adjust all of this later if needed. Next, choose your channel type. Public or private. Public channels are discoverable and can have a custom link that anyone can join. This is ideal for communities, brands, and public resources. Private channels are not searchable. Only people with an invite link or those you add directly can join. Choose private if you're sharing sensitive content or want tighter control over membership. Think about your goals. Reach and discoverability favor public, while exclusivity and privacy favor private. You'll now have the option to add people from your contacts. This is entirely optional. It's often best to invite only those who have asked to join or are expecting your updates to avoid spamming anyone. You can always share your channel link later or grow organically. When you're happy with the setup, tap the check mark or the next arrow to finish. Your channel is created and ready to use. You can post your first update, customize settings, and manage subscribers at any time. That's all it takes to create a Telegram channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your audience.